All right, fam. Welcome to another episode of Unicorns. Go find them. Now, before we jump into all of that clearance, wonderful goodness that you probably won't find, let's go ahead and talk about this right here. These are the Pvc Shears from Milwaukee. Comes with a charger, the battery, and the hard case. Shout out to Jim over at Philly Fixed. He's the one who found this and told me about it. Believe it or not, right after we did that crazy hack on Friday on the copper pipe cutters. So all credit goes to him. You're going to head over to homedepot.com. Go to the link that I'll leave in the description down below, and all the links for all these items will be provided in the description down below. You're going to go ahead and add the free gift with purchase. You always want to pick the most expensive gift. That is going to be the item that you either return or cancel out. In this case, it is the 6.0 battery pack. Once you add them to your cart, this will be your price breakdown. You get the shears for $141.90 and the battery for $77. That is not a good price on the 6.0, so obviously you're going to want to cancel that out or return it. This is one of the best prices I've seen on the PVC shears, and before you guys ask, no, it is not bare tool hackable. I wish. Now let's get right into the unicorns. Right off the bat, shout out to Peter the Rum for finding this. The 6 and the 4 amp hour battery packs from DeWalt. The combo kit is down to $75. There's the internet number. I will leave the BrickSeek in the description down below. However, Home Depot inventories are not accurate on these items, guys. You're gonna have to look up in the rafters, and I'll show you guys proof in a minute. The next item is the 3-tool M18 fuel combo kit. This is the one that comes with the Gen 2 Sawzall, 2 5s, charger, and a bag. And a big bag at that. This is down to $250. Shout out to Kimazon. You can find him over on Instagram. He's the one who sent me the tip on this deal. And the last one is the Makita 2-tool combo kit, down to $200. This includes the XDT14Z. It is their previous flagship prior to the XDT16Z. Honestly, those two impact drivers are pretty similar. Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm making some lunch out here. Yes, down to $200, 2 5s, the charger, and the bag. So, y'all want proof? Well, there you go. I never share the unicorns with you guys without proof. This is Peter the Rum. He said he cleaned up and got almost 10 of these kits at different stores. Look at that. $75, fam. This is the 2 battery pack combo kit that carries the 21700 cells. So if you're looking at getting a little more oomph out of your tools, you don't have to upgrade. Just slap one of these in those, and man, they will sing. There's the other combo kit, $549. And there's the receipt, fam. Obviously, $250 plus his military discount, so he got it even better than we could. That is wild. Hakeem or Kimazon does mention that he's gotten almost 10 of these kits over the past month. So keep an eye out. Check your rafters. These deals are redonkulous. Even that Makita combo set, which I will leave the BrickSeek in the description down below, is showing multiples in stock at multiple Home Depots. This fuel combo kit, not so much. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.